We talked about the clutch before. Now, do you know anything about the clutch lever?
The clutch lever is the one we pull when we shift gear.
That's right. Then, let's take a look at what is happening when we pull the clutch lever.
It gets disengaged when we pull the clutch lever.
The power of the engine is not transmitted in this state.
That's right. Okay, now, let's move on to the main topic, free play. The free play is the range of lever pull amount before the clutch starts to disengage.
Is the play necessary?
For cable operating type, if there is no play in the clutch lever operation, the clutch may get disengaged when the steering is turned, or the clutch may wear prematurely.
That's right. On the other hand, if there is too much play, the clutch could not be disengaged when you pull the lever so that the engine stalls.
Oh no. I don't like that.
This is the pre-ride inspection and periodic maintenance item. Don't forget to check this.